Most families don't lose wealth because they lack money. They lose wealth because they never talk about money. If Black families want to build generational wealth, there are five conversations we must stop avoiding. In many families, money is treated like a private subject. You don't ask about it, you don't discuss it, you don't question it. But silence around money creates three dangerous patterns: financial confusion, generational repetition, and wealth disappearing within one generation. Research in behavioral finance consistently shows that financial habits are learned socially, primarily through family environments. That means whether we realize it or not, children absorb how we spend, how we save, and how we think about money. If we want to change the financial future of our communities, the change must start with intentional conversations inside the home. Generational wealth is about financial culture. Wealthy families intentionally build three layers of financial culture: transparency, education, and vision. When those three exist, wealth compounds across generations. These are the five conversations every family must begin having. One, the truth about where the family stands financially. Families should openly discuss debt, assets, income streams, and financial goals. This conversation removes confusion and creates shared responsibility. You cannot improve what you refuse to examine. Two, the difference between income and wealth. High income is not the same as wealth. Wealth is built through assets that grow over time. Examples include real estate, business ownership, and investments. Shift the conversation from how much we make to what assets do we own. Three, the family wealth vision. Families that build generational wealth think in 30 to 50-year timelines. What foundation do we want for our children? When families share a vision, financial decisions become strategic rather than reactive. Four, financial education for the next generation. Children should understand saving, investing, credit, and ownership. Instead of get a good job, teach them how money actually works. That knowledge is one of the most powerful inheritances you can leave. Five, legacy planning and wealth protection. This includes conversations about wills, estate planning, insurance, and business succession. Without these structures, wealth often becomes fragmented. Legacy planning ensures wealth transfers smoothly to the next generation. The families who successfully build generational wealth don't rely on luck alone. They intentionally build financial systems and family alignment. So Proverbs 24, 3 to 4 says, by wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established. Financial wisdom is stewardship. If Black families want to change the economic future, the transformation does not begin in the bank, it begins around the table. When families talk openly about money, they stop repeating financial history and start writing a new one. I invite you to join the Dr. Vivian Atud Success 2026 community, where we focus on financial empowerment and generational wealth strategies. For personalized guidance, book a free no commitment consultation. The link is in the description. Let's build a future that strengthens generations.